Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video we will study common nouns. So I have a separate playlist of nouns on my channel, the link of which will be available in the description box along with the links of other important videos related to the subject English and Indian polity as well. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. So, therefore, let us now understand the meaning of common noun. A common noun is a name shared by every person of the same class, which means that these common noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing in general. Okay, so a noun that is a name of a group of similar thing, we can say, such as a table, book, and we do not particularize it as we do in the proper noun. So it does not refer to any particular person or thing. Okay, it does not refer to any single person or thing. We talk about a common class here, for example, man, woman, tiger, river, table. So from all these examples it should be clear to us that these are used in the group together, and it does not have a single identity as in a proper noun. So therefore common noun deals with general nouns, general names of places and things in ideas that well. So now we will talk about the different categories of common noun. Okay, so different categories of noun, and we should take care of the fact in our mind that these relate to general nouns. Okay, common nouns, general. People like teacher. Teacher could be any teacher, biology teacher, English teacher, science teacher, etc. Then clerk. Clerk could be a male or female. Similarly as police officer, friend, cousin, grandmother. Then comes places. In places, what do we have? Like school, it could be any school, right? Saint Xavier School, Saint Patrick's School, mall, hospital, road, or park. Then we have things such as car, chair, cupboard, mobile phone, bottle, book, etc. So all these categories refer to the general category of names, places, animal, things, or ideas. So after this, what we have is a special note related to common noun, that is we don't generally capitalize common nouns. We don't put a capital letter before common nouns unless they occur at the start of the sentence. If a common noun starts at the beginning of the sentence, okay, so then we have to capitalize it, otherwise we don't, as it is visible clearly in the examples. That in the first example we have the word father in a small letter because it is not coming in the beginning of the sentence. But when you see the next example, father bought some chocolate, so here father would be in capital letter because it's the beginning of the sentence. So if it is not in the beginning of the sentence, we will never capitalize a common noun. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.